Can you feel the heartbeat? That special beat that's always with you? Every component we create, no matter how small, serves a very specific purpose. It lets you sleep peacefully or helps you keep in touch at any time. It keeps you safe and warm. It brings you forward and opens up new worlds. It enhances your quality of life and helps you always to find the right rhythm. This beat is alive and drives us too. Every day we put our heart and soul into implementing solutions for and with our customers, with specialists who will not rest until the best and most competitive solution has been found. Because our heart beats for what we do. It's based on our SFS value engineering. This enables us to reduce the overall costs for our customers. This approach combines comprehensive technology and process competence with the energy of people who are prepared at any time to break new ground and push boundaries. At product level, this may mean incorporating additional functions or combining features in a component. At process level, we focus on increasing productivity or safety and on ergonomic aspects. With the help of digitalization, we assist our customers in lowering procurement costs, while at the same time increasing efficiency and transparency. But first of all, we listen carefully so that we understand what our customer wants and needs. This enables us to offer solutions that result in improvements along the entire value chain. We're passionate about always finding new solutions. Even the smallest improvements can significantly reduce costs while simultaneously increasing efficiency. The beat that our customers share with SFS sets our rhythm. It builds trust and creates added value through unique, top-quality solutions. These lay the foundations for long-term partnerships that open up promising prospects. Different people, individual capabilities, but one big goal: to invent success together again and again. Whatever we do it right and really well. Every day we expand our knowledge and challenge the limits of the technologies used. In that way, our partners receive exactly what they need. From our base in Switzerland, we have a presence in more than 25 countries. So we keep a finger on our customers' pulse, understand their needs, and realize solutions that make everyday life better, safer, and more comfortable. Feel the beat and use the opportunities that arise to change things, big and small.